What's up everyone, and welcome to the channel. Well, it looks like there's another delay for those who are awaiting their C8 Corvettes. GM has just announced another stop sale on C8 Corvettes over brake-by-wire issues. The title of this recall is Loss of Brake Assist and was issued September 24th, 2020. Unfortunately, this recall is not one that can be done over the air. So for owners awaiting their cars, dealers will not be able to sell you your car even if it arrives at the dealership until a solution has been found and/or a part is replaced. This issue is not just limited to the C8 Corvette, but other GM products with brake-by-wire as well. For those of you like myself who have already taken delivery of the car, the safety risk description is this. If communication with the sensor is interrupted, electronic brake boost assist could be lost. Extra pedal force will be required to slow and stop the vehicle, increasing the risk of a crash. There is no current time frame for this to be resolved. Now, I'm not overly concerned, however, I will be keeping this in mind when spirited driving in the mountains and tone it down for a while until this issue is sorted out. Personally, I haven't experienced any issues with my car yet. Sure, there have been a couple of recalls, but nothing that has interrupted me driving the car so far. My car now has around 1,500 miles on it. For those of you watching this that have a C8, have you had any issues with loss of braking power with your C8? Just curious. Well, that's about it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the drone footage. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for new content. Have a great day.